Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. First of all, open Messages app and click on one of your chats. Now select this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then click on Files. After that, you can pick one of those apps. Select those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources, or click on Audio and Video Filters. Whatever you do, when you're ready, just hold your file that you wish to add. In my case, this one. Lastly, tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!